Prepositions with means of travel. In our everyday life, we take a help of different vehicles to go one place to another place. They are such as bus, train, taxi, car, van, boat, ship, rickshaw, or bicycle or motorbike. So, what preposition are used before them, or what are the prepositions are used before them? We discuss. But it is very easy. If you watch this video till end of the teaching, you will easily find which preposition is correct for which means. First we discuss when the means of travel are used for general reference. General reference means the reference which we all follow. Suppose I go to school by bus. General reference. Uncle went New Delhi by train. So when there is general reference, the preposition by is used. By aeroplane, by helicopter, by train, by bus, taxi, car, rickshaw, bicycle, ship and boat attached with the by. But when we use specific reference, the preposition on and in are used. Then come to the surface of a means of a travel or travel's surface. Then we discuss travel's surface. Here we see a bus is on the road. Bus moves on which the bus moves on the road. Similarly, the sea on water, the train on rail, and a boat on water, and a aeroplane switch. So when there is a surface of means of travel or a travel's surface, on which surface they move on. The aeroplane move on, the train move on, the bus move on, taxi move on. Bus move on road, we say by road. Business is done by road. स्थल मार्ग से. By sea, I went to London. By sea, समुद्र मार्ग से. I went to London by sea. By water, by air, by rail. where there is the means of a surface we use by air, by rail, by road, by road, by road, by road, by road also, by sea, by water. On which surface they move on. And you mark, no preposition is used. Sorry, no article. No article is used before means of travel. Means of travel purvaru there is no article is used. By the road it is run. By similarly by aeroplane, by a ship also run. So where there is no preposition before the means of travel and they are used to with general reference, we use by. Next we see that is on, preposition on. By then come preposition on. So if article a and the are used, we use on. When the article or if the article a are unused, we use on preposition, and it is specific reference. It is we went to the picnic on a bus. Suppose by bus, on a bus, which one is correct? If there is an article on each, right. If there is no article, by is right. So you may ask, how do you know? We know all the prepositions are used as per the sense meaning of the sentence. If there is a in the sentence, we use on. If there is no a or no article, use by. So we went to the picnic on a bus. The same way we see on bus, on the train, on a bus, the a, such articles are used. On the bus, on the train, on the train, on the bus, on the ship, on the aeroplane, on is used. Where we can stand, on which we can stand and move. बस अंदर में खड़ा होकर घूम सकता है. So on is used. On which we can stand and move. In bus we can stand and move, so use preposition on. But in a car, in a boat, we use preposition in. In case of car, boat, we use preposition in. Where we can only sit, can't stand and move. क्या एक कार में हम खड़े होकर घूम सकता है? नहीं। सो यूज इन on which we can stand and move. In a car we can stand, we can move. Use in. I went to uncle's house in a car. We visited Puri in a car. We are 5 passengers in the car, not on. The difference between on and in, where we use on, we can stand and move on a bus, on a train. But we use in case of a boat and a car, where we can stand, we can't move. Only बैठ सकता कार हमें केवल सेटारे sit, we can sit there. There are also different animals: camel, horse, elephant. So on horse back we loaded goods. We load goods on elephant